हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ सी अरविंद कुमार और मैंने डीसा भी किया YCI का। तो जो है हमारा मेंटरिंग प्लस मॉक टेस्ट होता है और वो फिजिकल और ऑनलाइन दोनों होता है। और इसमें होता है कैसे है कि हम टारगेट देते हैं, टारगेट जैसे ही होता है अचीव तो फिर रैंडम सवाल करते हैं। और अगर फिजिकल है तो सामने स्टूडेंट आए और उसमें से रैंडम सवाल करें। कुछ मैं लिखने के दूंगा, कुछ मैं ओरली पूछूंगा। और अगर ऑनलाइन है तो फिर जूम मीटिंग या फिर कॉल के थ्रू हम बच्चे से राब्ता करते हैं। टेस्ट भी हमारा ऐसी है, देखिए पूरे इंडिया में कहीं भी आपको जो है ना फेस टू फेस चेकिंग नहीं मिलेगा। पूरे इंडिया में बस हमारा ही है जो फेस टू फेस चेकिंग होती है स्टूडेंट के सामने, और टेस्ट के बाद ही चेकिंग हो जाती है और स्टूडेंट के सामने होती है। ठीक है। और पास होने की गारंटी 100% गारंटी, चाहे CA का कोई भी लेवल हो, CA फाउंडेशन हो, इंटर हो, फाइनल हो, पास तो हमारे यहाँ पे लिखा होता है। देखिए एक स्टूडेंट है, ठीक है ना, इनका जो है पिछली बार बोथ ग्रुप बाकी था, बहुत बार से दे रहे थे पेपर और इनका नहीं हो पा रहा था। और तो पिछले बार ये पिछले अटेम्प्ट में आए थे नवंबर 22 में, इनका एक ग्रुप हो गया। ठीक है, फर्स्ट ग्रुप हो गया हमारे यहाँ और ग्रुप 2 अभी कर रहे हैं मेरे यहाँ। और इस बार ये CA बन जाएंगे। तो अगर आपको भी करना है, 3 दिन का ट्रायल है, आप लीजिए, देखिए हम कैसा कराते हैं। मैं आपको टारगेट दे दूंगा, पूछूंगा आपसे रैंडम सवाल, पहले देखिए हम कैसा कराते हैं। हमें हमें हमारा कोई वैसा नहीं है कि जो है कि हम पहले पैसे ले लेंगे फिर आपको दिक्कत हो जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हमें हमारा पैसे सेकेंडरी है, हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम आपको पहले ये मालूम चले ना कि अगर मैं किससे ले रहा हूँ, अगर आप मेरे से ले रहे हो ना मेंटरिंग, तो सही जगह मिल रही है आपको। पहले आप ये पता करो। ठीक है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि हम बाकी लोगों से कैसे अलग हैं। ठीक है, चलिए तो उनसे सवाल करते हैं। क्या तुम पूछा? और आप लोग के 1 घंटे बाद 1 महीने बाद जो है पेपर है, आ रहा है। कोई दिक्कत हो आप मेरे से पूछ लीजिएगा। हेलो।
Hello.
या टेल
Hello,
मी
sir.
हाउ आर यू?
How are you?
ओके।
Yes, I'm good, sir.
ओके, तो मॉड्यूल 3 ऑफ द IDT यू हैव कंप्लीटेड। ओके, तो
From assessment
शुड आई
still
आस्क?
missing.
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, टेल मी, टेल मी क्वेश्चंस फॉर विच advanced ruling can be sought. What are those questions for which advanced ruling can be sought? It's the most important questions.
For classification of any goods, whether it is or
Goods.
service or both, then
Okay. Can be.
Determination of the value of supply and or time of supply, then admissibility of the input tax credit, then determination whether any thing done in respect of good or service constitutes supply, whether the person is liable to for the registration under the act. These are the question for which advanced ruling can be.
Okay. Are you done?
Yes. Then applicability of the notification.
Applicability of the notification issued under provisions of GST Act. Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing also. Determination of the liability to pay tax on any goods or services under this act. Okay.
Yes. Applicability.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Can the advance ruling can be nullified? Discuss. Can the advance ruling can be nullified? Discuss.
Advance ruling can be nullified if it is obtained by way of fraud, misrepresentation of fact, or suppression of the facts, and it shall be treated as no ruling has been given, and the act shall be applicable as it is.
Suppression of material fact or the
misrepresentation, fraud.
presentation of fact. Okay.
Yes.
So what will happen?
The responsible shall be withdrawn. It shall not be
What happen is you.
and the act will be applicable.
The advance ruling will be.
It was never been given.
Okay, tell me another question. Okay, tell me the state the various modes of service of a notice, decision, order, summons or any other communication under the GST Act on the taxable person or any other person to whom it is intended. Tell me.
Modes could be, one of the modes could be giving directly, you're tendering directly to the person or to the authorized representative by email address, then through the common portal, then by registered post or courier, speed post, then publication in the newspaper, and affixing the copy on the last known place of the place of business or residence of the person, or through display on the notice board of the concerned officer.
Yeah. And or by making the same available at the common portal. Okay. Also. Okay, tell me specify the order against which no appeal can be filed. Specify the order against which no appeal can be filed.
No appeal can be filed in the following cases. The commissioner order to transfer the case from one officer to another. Then order to pay tax in installment. Then order pertaining sanctioning prosecution under the and order for seizure or retention of books of accounts.
And a payment of tax in installment too. Order passed under section 80, that is the payment of tax in installment. Okay. Tell me, discuss the liability to pay tax, interest, or penalty on death of a person liable to pay tax, interest, or penalty as per the provisions of section 93 subsection. Tell me.
Okay, in case of death of a person, if the business is carried on by the legal representative, then such legal representative shall be liable to pay tax, interest, and penalty, whether the amount has been determined before the death and but remain husband or after the death. And if the business is discontinued, then the same the tax and penalty shall be paid out of the estate of the deceased to the extent that estate is capable of meeting the charge, tax, interest, and penalty.
Okay. Okay, tell me, what are the circumstances for which a so-called notice can be issued by the proper officer under section 73? Tell me.
Section 72.
Under section 73, what are the circumstances for which a so-called notice can be issued by the proper officer? Tell me.
Yes. Under section 73 of the Act, show cause notice can be issued if the tax has not been paid, or tax has been short paid, or ITC has been wrongly availed, or ITC has been wrongly utilized for a reason other than fraud. Notice can be issued. In time limit for issue of the notice shall be 2 years and 9 months from the date of filing annual return of the in respect of the period to which such non-payment relates.
No, I'm not asking about time limit. Now I just ask you, so-called notice can be issued by the officer. Okay. I'm just asking about the
Yes.
so-called notice. Okay. I'm not asking about the time limit. Okay.
Yes, short,
Tax has not been paid, tax has been short paid, tax has been erroneously refunded, or input tax credit has been wrongly availed or utilized for any reason other than the reason of fraud, willful misstatement, or suppression of fact to evade tax. Okay. Okay, tell me. List the records which are to be produced during access to business premises. Tell me. List down the records which are to be produced